What's going on, everyone? Steve here. Welcome back to another episode. It's been a little while, but we made it. We're out here on the surf. Got the sunrise happening right behind me there, and we're gonna do a little bit of morning fluking on the surf with the bucktail. See if we can get on any fish or any keepers, and if we do, we'll probably be doing a catch and cook. So let's get to the fishing, guys. I'm fishing today with a few friends. I got Harry, Mitchell, his friend John, all out here on the surf this morning. So hopefully between the four of us, we'll be able to see if something's going on out here. That's the first cast. First cast. Tiny. Oh God, that is, if you ever heard of the first cast bad luck, I really hope that that is not it, because man, first cast, and that is like the tiniest fluke ever. Oh my God. First cast. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. Take it as a good sign. Right now I'm jigging with a half-ounce S&S bucktail here on the surf. My favorite teaser, which is the Thunder Mist Lures Teaser T. Mitchell's on right next to me. Oh, that was a bite. Oh wow, there we go. Another short. I'm just gonna guide this guy back. Oh, there he goes. Make sure he swam off. Yep, he's gone. It's good to be on the beach. It's been too long. Too long. So the first hour we kind of were picking away at the shorts right when the tide was coming in. Now we're here at slack. And yeah, we're just gonna keep fishing. It's been crazy here on the East Coast though with this air quality. Today it's like super, like the air is just thick. And yeah, this is like the craziest air quality that we've like ever seen here on the East Coast. But hopefully that doesn't affect it for the fishing. It just makes it a little bit more humid out here for us. Right in the surf, on the bucktail. There you go, buddy. That's decent. It's a little bit better. We'll take it. See you later, man. Seems like all these fish are in pretty close. Those last two fish were kind of within that first breaking wave there. So I'm gonna try to work this bucktail in a little bit closer. Yep. They're on the teaser today. I'll tell you that, because there's a lot of tiny fluke around. Short guys are eating the teaser. Get a quick release on that guy. Well, should have waited for the next wave. But he's going in. I'm not wasting any time making a far cast if they're going to be in close. Yes. Yep. Let's go! Yes, sir! Yes, sir, cha-ching! Inhale the bucktail, man. 19.
Nice.
19. All right.
That's a nice looking.
That definitely made the morning a little bit better. Nice 19-inch fish. Show them right there. That's gonna be good for dinner. Nice. Yes. So we're gonna get this fish in the bag. And I've got a few questions before on how I keep my fish cold on the beach. And I've used a few different backpack options in the past, but the one I'm using right now is an REI split top backpack. I'll put it in the description if you guys are interested. But Harry, who's actually fishing right there on the beach right now, he's the one who found this backpack, and it's been really good. So I picked one up. I like the fact that it's got this removable soft cooler here. I usually just fill it up with ice and a Wawa sandwich. So you can see in here that I have 3 ice packs. You could either use that or ice. And usually a Fluke fits nicely in there. Just kind of lay them in there. 1 ice pack on the bottom, 2 here on the top to keep them cold for while I'm on the surf. But then when you go home, the best part is that whole thing just comes right out. So you don't have to dirty the whole backpack. You just dirty the cooler. Clean that out and you're good to go. I don't know for sure if this will help, but it can't hurt. You got all that gulp juice in the bottom of the container. Just kind of dip that bucktail. Give it a little recharge. Maybe it'll make the difference. There we go. What do we got? Another short fluke. Probably like my 10th short. Honestly, that guy might be close to 17. Can't tell, we have to check. There we go. Got Mitchell on there. That looks good. I'm confused on these 17 kind of inch fish. Yeah. So if he's too close, you got to get out the real one. But okay, that's 16. All right, just to check. I want to show you guys the teaser that's really getting all these short fluke today. And I use it a lot. This is the Thunder Mist Lures Teaser T. I really like using it because it's got that swivel there. It keeps everything nice and vertical in the water, so your presentation is always good. That's like what got most of the fish. I only got probably 1 or 2 fish that actually ate the bucktail, one of them being the keeper. So it's definitely a lot of smaller fish on the teaser, but at least they're eating it. So for the rest of the trip, we ended up just working the beach into the late morning, early afternoon, and basically we're just picking away at shorts, spot hopping along the beach. But luckily, I kept that one 19-inch keeper, which I'm gonna end up using in this catch and cook. So we're back in the kitchen now. I'm gonna fillet that fish and we'll go ahead and cook it up. We'll definitely make a nice recipe with this guy. And just follow it down. Fluke is a pretty fun fish to fillet. Pretty straightforward. You just kind of just follow that spine down and keep the knife kind of flat. Just go little by little until you scoop it out. Some people kind of make the outline this way first, but I just go into the end there and then just cut it out. That's the first fillet. You just go right over that. right over the spine onto the next fillet. Follow that down. And there's a rib bone right here. Just separate that. There you go. So I went to the store to get everything I need for this recipe today, which is going to be a stuffed fluke with sun-dried tomatoes and spinach inside over some scalloped potatoes with a collini, I think, on the side. Looked good, it was at the store. So we're gonna cook that up and I'll show you what I'm doing right now. So that is the mixture right there. It's got the spinach, sun-dried tomato, the cheese. That is what we're gonna stuff that fluke with. I'm gonna put the mixture on the skin side so that when I roll it up, we got the nice side on the top. While we're here, we're just gonna season that fish a little bit. And then literally, we're just gonna roll it up. Now I'm just gonna take the sides right there and just dip them in the breadcrumb. That'll kind of help hold it in. A little bit of breadcrumb on top. So we're gonna slice our potatoes for the scalloped potatoes. So some people, when they make scalloped potatoes, they make a cream sauce beforehand and then pour it in. But I'm just gonna do it really simply. Just pour a little heavy cream, season this up, and just get this in the oven. Now we're just gonna drizzle some of that heavy cream on the top. Make sure they're all covered. A little bit of pepper. Some salt, a little bit of parm, and then we're just going to get that in the oven for about 20 minutes or so to start. So I just took those scalloped potatoes out of the oven, and that's what you're looking for, that cream to just reduce the cheese to get nice and bubbly. And then we're just going to cut some chives, and then once that fluke is done, we'll plate it all up. Oh yeah. Little broiler at the end. And on top, just a little squeeze of lemon and some chives. And there you have it. The stuffed fluke with the scalloped potato. Oh man, this is looking good. Can't wait to try this.
Oh my gosh.
Looking good. Not bad. I can't wait to try this one.
This is crazy.
I don't know what to do first. I'm gonna do the fish.
Oh yeah, I'll do the fish first.
Let's see.
Not so good.
Wow.
Man.
Get out of here, man.
With the sun-dried tomatoes. Yo. That's delicious.
Oh my gosh. That is killer.
That's so good.
You get the beautiful shingle between the purple potatoes and the gold. Big bite. Mmm.
This might be like top.
This is like top of the line. This is like really good.
One of my favorites. Easily. Wow. That's really good. Alright, I'll try a little broccoli.
Yeah. Gotta have some vegetables, right?
Even those are good.
Wow. Really,
That's
really,
so
really
good.
good. Oh my gosh. Cheers.
Cheers.
Woo! I'm just out of words.
I'm in love with this cauliflower stuff.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Like, that's not even the best thing on this plate either. It's so good.
And you love the collini?
It's so good. My new favorite vegetable.
All right, everyone, so we are wrapping it up for this video. Hope you enjoyed the fishing trip, the cooking. If you haven't tried cooking flounder like this, I definitely recommend you give it a shot because it was just absolutely amazing. So until we catch or cook something else, I'll see you next time on The Line Cook. Thanks for watching, everyone.